Okay, we have a Southwest Industries Proto-Trak 3-axis CNC bed mill with hand wheels, model DPM3, serial number 98-4296. The machine was new in 1998. We're going to run her for you. Again, the machine has an AGE3 control. You have a 3 horsepower head with a 40 taper spindle. That's the low range. 300 RPM. Machine does go up to 4,200 RPM in the high range. About 2,800. Machine is very quiet head. We put new bearings and belts in the head. That is your x-axis. Machine has a 10 by 50 table with 30 inches of x travel, 17 inches of y, and 23.5 of z, 5 inches of quill. That is your z. You also have the quill. When you move the quill, it does the math on the control, axis digital readout. So those are your 3 axes of travel plus your quill, 40 taper spindle. The machine also has a Curt air actuated power drawbar. And hey, thank you for watching our video.